Hey, before we dive in, if you're looking for a killer deal on ScreenToVideo, click the link in the description below for a special lifetime offer. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Alright, let's talk about ScreenToVideo. Imagine if your favorite screen recorder and your go-to video editor had a baby, and then that baby grew up to be a genius. That's pretty much what this software feels like. So, what is ScreenToVideo? It's an all-in-one tool that lets me record my screen edit, the footage, add voiceovers, slap on some effects, and even draw all over the screen, like I'm back in math class. Except this time, people might actually pay attention. You can record your entire screen, a single window, or just a tiny slice of it. Want to add your webcam? Done! Need a virtual background because your room looks like a tornado hit it? Easy. And if you're like me and sometimes need to explain things visually, the sketching tools are a lifesaver. I can turn my screen into a whiteboard doodle arrows circle stuff and basically become the Bob Ross of tutorials. But wait, there's more. ScreenToVideo lets me record animated GIFs in a snap, perfect for quick how-tos or spicing up my social posts. Plus, editing is a breeze. I can add text effects, closed captions, and even use Google's text-to-speech if I'm feeling a bit lazy, or if my voice is sounding like a frog. Exporting? No problem. MP4, MV GIF, MP3. You name it. And with hardware-accelerated encoding, my videos render faster than my coffee disappears on a Monday morning. Sharing is super simple too. I can upload straight to Google Drive and share a link instantly. No more juggling files or waiting for uploads to finish. Now, who's this for? Content creators, educators, marketers, or anyone who wants to make pro-level screen recordings without a PhD in video editing. Beginners love how easy it is, and power users appreciate the advanced features. And the best part? You get all of this with a one-time lifetime deal on AppSumo. No subscriptions, no sneaky fees. Just remember to redeem your code within 60 days, and you're set for life. So, if you want to level up your screen recordings and editing game, grab ScreenToVideo using the link below. Your future self will thank you. Alright, that's it from me. Smash that like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and don't forget, check the description for your lifetime deal. Catch you in the next one.